Carrot broth represents an innovative new way to identify group B strep, also known as Streptococcus agalactiae. As you know, group B strep can be a cause of neonatal sepsis, which is why the CDC recommends that all pregnant women be cultured between the 35th and 37th week of gestation. Carrot broth is the fastest and most sensitive culture method available. In addition, the bright orange color development of positive cultures makes it very easy to read out. Let's take a look at the procedure. First, aseptically remove the disc from the vial and drop it into the carrot broth. Next, place the anal-vaginal specimen swab in the broth. Break the shaft of the swab and leave it in the broth. Now securely tighten the cap. Place the broth in the 35-degree incubator and leave it there for 6 to 24 hours. After incubation, observe the tube for any development of an orange color. Keep in mind that the color starts to form at the bottom of the tube in the anaerobic portion of the broth. If the number of organisms is low, you will see several orange dots beginning to form. Any orange to red color is positive for hemolytic group B strep. The color will appear in as little as 6 hours. Due to the high specificity of carrot broth, there is no need for further testing once the orange color is detected. What about accuracy? According to a recent multi-hospital study, when compared to the limb broth method, carrot broth was shown to be more sensitive and more specific. The specificity turned out to be 100% and the sensitivity was 97%. In an additional study, carrot broth even exceeded the sensitivity of PCR. Do you ever get requests for susceptibility testing when the patient is allergic to penicillin? The tubes may be subcultured for susceptibility testing at a later date. You may retain the tubes at room temperature for up to 15 days without any loss of viability. If you need to store them for longer periods of time, then the tubes may be stored in the refrigerator. Remember that only beta hemolytic strains of group B strep will develop the orange pigment. Less than about 5% of the group B strains will be non-hemolytic. This is why we always recommend that you subculture your negative results to a selective strep agar plate to see if you have a rare non-hemolytic strain. Thanks for listening. We hope you enjoyed the demo. If you would like to request further information on carrot broth, please send us an email or go to our online catalog at the Hardy Diagnostics website.